Okay, let's continue the section of saving and upgrading, and this time with extended support AirDS clusters. So it should be quite easy to understand and to fix. Let's dive in. So about AirDS extended support, so the cost of supporting all database is a lot compared to the standard price. So you're gonna pay extra charge to use the extended support. So by doing that, you should always maintain regularly upgrades. And so both MySQL and PostgreSQL have release calendars. And if you are extended into the year 1 and 2, you are paying extra charge, and also for the year 3. So this is one example of the calendar of MySQL extended support. So you can see the major version, and you can see the start of extended support for year 1 and 2. And you can see also the start of extended support for year 3. So you're gonna pay more for after year 3. You get the similar release calendar for PostgreSQL this time, with also years 1 and 2 pricing and year 3 pricing. To detect them, you can use the AWS billing. So just go to billing service, build section, select relational databases service, and search for extended support line. So if you see a line like this one, you know that you are paying extra support for PostgreSQL 12, and in year 1 and year 2, which means it's the first prices in extended support. To find them all, you can not use either Cost Optimization Hub or Trusted Advisor, but you can use the curve and create a curve with Athena. And so to do that, you can add a filter on line item description, if it's equals to extended support value. To fix it, you simply have to upgrade the ADS cluster. So you go to ADS service database section, you select one engine version which is low, for example this one, and you click on modify and you change the DB engine version. That should be quite easy.